We are the trusted partner for capturing property data and visual content. We create real value for our clients in ways that allow them to scale on demand by providing an unmatched client experience and delivering data and content in less than 48 hours. That is who PlanOmatic is today, and how we got here, that's a fun story. It all began with this question in 2005. Do you want to start a business and build something really big together, or be a lifeguard for the rest of your life? The answer is exactly what we did. We built something big together, and ultimately, together we win. Since then, our mission has been to show 1 million people their home for the first time. We've grown in support of that mission with a laser focus on providing true value. Our mission guides our growth and our expansion into new verticals. Our purpose is that we exist to help our clients win. That purpose drives our actions and is the foundation of our core values. We own it. We expect greatness. We create genuine relationships, and we are authentic. Each member of the PlanOmatic team, including our PlanOtechs, exude these values in every interaction. As a result, and as a team, we've captured data and visual content for hundreds of thousands of properties nationwide. Together, we've spent the last 16 years building something big. So what's next? PlanOmatic will be synonymous with capturing property data and visual content worldwide. We will service residential and commercial for marketing, insurance, and valuation. Inch by inch, we cover it all. And to achieve this future, it will take us all. We are the future dreamers. We are the goal achievers. We are the wild innovators. We are the 24/7 risk takers. We are committed to growing and diversifying our workforce to look more like what the world looks like today, in order to ignite change and the trajectory of what equality and equity really means. We will have a negative carbon footprint by 2032 to support sustainability and encourage others to do the same. We are the ones who believe shelter is a basic human right, and we've committed to donating $1 for every order we receive to provide critical support to youth in our community who are exiting the child welfare system. And we will extend this work beyond our city limits, because we are in the business of showing people their homes wherever they may be. We intend to elevate the gig economy experience by investing in our PlanOtechs with livable wages, basic benefits, and desirable flexibility. We are creating the workforce of tomorrow by investing in our people today. We will define on-demand, transparent property data, and visual content. And that data will be available in the palm of your hand. Our vision is big. Our vision for the future is bold. PlanOmatic, property capture solutions worldwide.